So this is the follow on to make the beak of the chick and to put the eye. I'll show you where to put the eye. So I've put my slip knot on with the orange, and you're going to find the second treble up on the head shape. So you can find this by finding the gap, and it's the one in the second treble up. So you pop your hook through and join with a slip stitch, and then the aim is to make this little beak. So we go 1 double crochet into that same stitch. Now this can be tricky because it wants to pull on your original, so just keep that steady. And then 1/2 treble to the same stitch. So I'm going to go through all 3, and then we're going to do a double crochet to bring it back down, and then a slip stitch into the same place, and that should fasten that off nicely. It looks like a little rounded beak, but it works really well on this shape. Now obviously you're going to tie in or sew in those ends, and then the eye just magically goes in that gap there, and it just fits perfectly. And then you pop the end on the back and press it on, and that is toy safe, so that won't come out. So if you want to do the matching bunny, that should be linked on the playlist, and then there's a matching egg as well. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I really would appreciate that. Bye.